In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add extensions to Google Chrome. Easy step-by-step guide. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can move through the process smoothly. Extensions are small tools that add extra features to Chrome, and the installation process is usually very quick once you know where to go. After Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official place where Chrome extensions are listed and installed. Using the web store is important because it helps you find extensions made for Chrome in one organized location. Once you arrive there, you can browse or search for the extension you want to add. Next, select the extension you want. Take a moment to open its page and look at the details before installing it. This helps you confirm that you are choosing the correct extension. You can also review the description and general information on the page so you understand what the extension is designed to do. This is a good habit because some extensions may have similar names, and checking the page carefully can help you avoid installing the wrong one. When you are ready, click the blue Add to Chrome button. This will begin the installation process. Chrome may show a prompt asking you to confirm the action. If that appears, review the request and continue with the installation. In many cases, this takes only a few seconds. Once the extension is added, Chrome will usually make it available right away. If you do not see it immediately, give the browser a moment to finish loading. Some extensions appear near the top right area of Chrome, and others may work in the background depending on how they are designed. If needed, you can also check Chrome's extension area later to manage what you have installed. The main thing to remember is that the process is simple. Open Chrome, visit the Chrome Web Store, choose the extension you want, and click Add to Chrome to install it. Following these steps carefully will help you add useful tools to your browser safely and quickly. That covers everything you need to know.